Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing week as well. So, hey, I just want to share a little bit, a little something with you guys. As you can read in the comment section, I literally bought an item for free, right? I bought an item for free. Now, the whole concept of it was, hey, I felt like I want to buy myself a little something, spice up the room whatsoever. And, I was like, hey, nah, I don't want to just buy the actual product, right? I rather want to make a little content of myself, for you guys where I trade, and I show you like my actual trades whatsoever, all those good things, and go buy the actual product. But we got interrupted by load shedding and all that, so hey, that honestly sucked. That honestly sucked. So hey, I'm here now. I'm here today, and I'm gonna share with you guys, hey, what I literally did. So, I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna fund my account with actual 100 Rand, right? And because I didn't want to pay the full price of the product, right? So I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna put in 130 just to have a little bit of cushion. Even though it is a small amount of money, I was like, hey, I still want to use money management on it. Old Diego would have been like, let's go full on it, but then you have like a low drawdown and then the 100 Rand is gone, what's the point of it? So yes, these was the actual trades I took over the course of this week. I have proof of everything else as well, for those who would be like, you didn't, you did it. Okay, so I had like a little bit of proof whatsoever. So over the course of this week, I only had 4 trades, I only took 4 trades on the account. And yeah, these were the 4. This one was on Tuesday. On Monday, I didn't see a clean setup, right? I didn't see a clean setup. On Tuesday, I took these 2 trades. This one was around about 200 pips. This one over here was 111 pips. So that's already, something. That's already something. That's over, that's over 300 pips. That's a lot. This one was on Wednesday. This one was around about 60 something pips, and this one was around about 70 pips, right? So in total, we already banked 400 pips on Nasdaq, and that's a lot of pips, right? That's a lot of pips. There's a lot of people that can't even get that actual, 60 pips on an actual trade, right? For a week whatsoever, and yeah, we banked 400 plus pips on this beautiful pair called Nasdaq, right? And this was literally my 2 entries over the course of this week. Now, yes, obviously, I'm sharing my outlook on my Nasdaq, right? But when it comes down to the entry points, right? The entry points, hey, the majority of you guys have your own entry strategy. So, I'm perfectly fine with that. Use your own entry strategy. Now and then I'll show you guys like where and how I basically enter. If you want to see how I basically do it, you can go back to my old content whatsoever, and go see how I do it over there. Then I also have a little different entry strategy, if you want to call it, which I basically share with the community, right? Now, this was the 4 entries I basically took over the course of this week. Okay, so this was on Monday. Yes, this was, well, not Monday, on Tuesday. So then I made the withdrawal of 550. These were the 2 actual entries I took. Targets right over there. And then I left 100 Rand in the account again. And then from that 100 Rand, this was Wednesday, we doubled the account. Well, we made 200 plus return on investment over there. That's beautiful. And I made the withdrawal over there as well, right? Yeah, this was one withdrawal, and this was the second withdrawal. And yeah, this was the entry on Wednesday. Yeah, the first one I was too late. I was too late. Take profit got hit over there, and then yeah, that was the second take profit area. Take profit got hit, as you guys have seen, and this was literally the product I bought. You know, it was like a little painting. Hey, I bought the thing, but hey, it wasn't actually as how I expected it was gonna be, right? It's like a painting thing, so I have to like get like a frame for the thing, right? But that's all good. It's like a big big ass painting. So yeah, I have to go get an actual, you know, frame for that. I have someone who can do that for me, so that is sorted. That is perfectly fine. So you know, hey, the moral of it is literally trading. You can literally, you know, spoil yourself on how you want to spoil yourself, right? How you want to spoil yourself. You know, it literally comes down to, you know, the skill. How good are you actually as an actual trader? You know, I'm not the best trader. You know, I am planning. Well, I'm working to be the actual best trader, right? But it's a working process. It's all a process, literally. You know, and I'm not, you know, I'm not basically forcing my journey. I'm not basically, you know, hey, I'm not looking at any other person's journey. I'm just focusing on my journey, right? So the work I put in, hey, it's the work I put in, right? How much work are you putting in? You know, ask yourself that question. How much work are you putting in? Can you put an extra 100 Rand in it and still use money management and basically just trade off it, right? But, you know, doesn't matter how much you have in your account. You know, the moral of it is that, you know, you can spoil yourself with certain products, right? Even if you make what, let's say 200 Rand for the week, right? You can go spoil yourself with a nice cup of coffee. Spoil yourself with a nice cup of coffee. Why not? You know, if you are a tea person, go spoil yourself with a nice cup of tea. You know, whatsoever. You know, you use your money how you want to use it. Some people might say that this was unnecessary. You know, but look at it as it's free. It's literally free money, right? It's free money. So, hey, yeah, that was literally what I wanted to do for you guys over the course of this week, but we got interrupted by load shedding. So, you know, that was whack. It was honestly whack. But yeah, that was literally the process behind this whole thing, right? Me, Diego, I don't want to buy something for that price, right? I don't want to pay 350 Rand for the product, right? I'd rather want it for free, you know, I'll pay much less for it. So in this case, literally bought the item for free. Hey, you know, this is something small, but you guys can do it as well. Okay, so hey, it's me, your boy D, and I'm gonna see you in the next content. I'm out.